All right, we have a premium PU leather phone case from Amazon for the Pixel 6a. Don't hate me for this one. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech gadgets and accessories for you. And in today's video we have this leather case from Amazon. I don't even think it's leather. It is PU, but it's plastic. I do not recommend this. It is from a brand of Ioria. I don't know how to pronounce that. You can go ahead and say it. But it's $15. For $15, I don't think it's worth it. Let's go ahead and place the device inside the case. Looks all right, I guess. Look at that. Bam. Yeah, this, I don't know. 15 bucks. If you think this is worth 15 bucks, let me know down on the comment section below. Your cutouts are nice and precise anyways. The buttons on the sides 100% covered, nice and tacked down. Nothing wrong with the buttons, very responsive. You do have some holes at the bottom right corner of the case for a wrist lanyard. Your cutout for the mic, nice and precise. Nothing on the left side of the case, absolutely nothing, not even texture pattern for grip. But you do have very minimal lip protection around the edge of your screen, and that's only because I do have a tempered glass screen protector, so the case is tempered glass screen protector friendly, but there's very minimal lip protection there. So be careful with that. I'm not gonna say, well, if you don't have a screen protector installed, then you are protected, but if you do have a screen protector installed, there's very minimal lip protection, so you might end up scratching your screen protector. You do have that cut out there for the earpiece, so that is good. But let me know, what do you guys think about this leather case? Is it worth $15? I don't know. I guess at first I thought it might look cheap, but it's kind of growing on me. Very nice slim fit, does not add too much bulk to your device. Feels all right. Smells like leather, but artificial leather. But there you have it, guys. If you have any questions, like I said, let me know down in the comment section below. Do you think this is worth $15 or not? Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.